Hello guys, what's going on? So few big updates are coming from NIO's end. NIO's Onvo Vice President of Product Eric Yu confirmed that the brand's second model is going to be a large SUV with 6 or 7 seat inside, and that car will be released in first quarter of 2025. Deliveries of that second car will start around May next year. Already this Onvo L60 is selling like a hotcake. After the launch of this model, Onvo will deliver around 40,000 vehicles per month by the end of 2025. Onvo's Vice President of Product Eric Yu has disclosed a lot of valuable information about the brand's second model at Guangzhou Auto Show 2024. During an interview with Auto Home, Mr. Yu said that Onvo makes cars for families. In future, Onvo will launch one product per year, and the brand next model will enter the domestic market shortly. As mentioned, the Onvo second car is going to be a large SUV with 6 or 7 seat. Onvo will officially release it in first quarter of 2025. Eric Yu also mentioned that the development process of this crossover runs smoothly. The new model will start deliveries around May next year. Eric Yu hasn't revealed the Onvo's crossover price range. However, it is clear that Onvo large SUV will cost below 500,000 yuan in order to avoid internal competition with the new ES8 flagship crossover. On the other hand, NIO Onvo aims to have up to 1,000 stores by the end of 2025, report says. Onvo aims to have at least 500 stores by the March next year and around 800 to 1,000 by the end of 2025, according to the local media. Onvo's store count stood at 120 as of September 19th, and the brand aimed to have 200 stores in 68 cities by the end of 2025, it said at the time of L60 launch. Onvo's sales channel will cover more lower tier cities because there they will sell more cars, and already L60 is outselling Model Y in NI, according to the reports. The end of September was the peak of Onvo L60 sales, and the week after China's National Day holiday in early October was a slow week for the industry as a whole, the report said. From the second week after the National Day holiday, Onvo sales have been up about 10% week on week, according to the article. Sales of 20,000 units per month is Onvo's first major goal, with 30,000 units per month is next, which is expected to be achieved by the fourth quarter of 2025 or the first quarter of 2026, according to the report. Apart from that, company could also launch one new model next year or maybe two. The sub-brand will launch sedan models and will focus on exploring markets with the most space without venturing into the niche market, according to the report. Ai Taiching, CEO of Onvo, said that they will deliver more than 10,000 units in December and more than 20,000 units in a single month by March 2025. And once they will launch few new models, I believe they will beat NIO sales. So get ready to see some great sales numbers from next year, and because of that we will also see some momentum in its stock price. With that said, thank you so much for being here. See you in next update.